Hello everybody and welcome back to the Slack and Armchair Supporter channel. I'm doing another stream today. It's Georgia versus the Czech Republic, and that is going to be live in about 10 minutes or so. There's just obviously a few interviews going on the TV before that kicks off, and then all the national anthems and the pre-match pleasantries. And yeah, then we're going to be getting into the action. So if you're viewing on YouTube, I've got a poll going. Get in it. Let me know who you think is going to win, Georgia or the Czech Republic, or if you think it's going to be a draw. Gets tackled, wins a throw. So Fowler's, again, it's that high up, so Fowler's just going to launch this into the penalty area. He does. Oh, it's fallen nicely far side. Oh, it's bundled in. I think it's going to be handball, though. Hlozek, 1-0 to the Czech Republic. I don't know. It looked like he hit that in with his arm. I'm not sure. There's a whole load of stuff going on here. The referee's over there for some reason. I don't know if it hits him in his face or if it hits him in his hand. They're definitely going to look at this. I'm going to just take a second before I update the scoreboard. So that throw in, it does come in and it falls nicely at the far post. He gets a shot away. It's saved by the goalkeeper. And it's straight back at him. Oh, it hits him in the face. Does it touch his arm after it hits him in the face? Oh, it just skims his hand. He takes a shot, hits the goalkeeper, comes back, hits him in the face. As it hits his face, it then just skims his hand and rolls into the goal. He's going to go and have a look. For what? It hasn't even touched his... If that's touched his hand, it's actually given them the opportunity to score. Oh, it has touched his hand. He's given a fucking penalty. Are you having a laugh with this? Fucking hell. He's given a penalty here. Oh, the thing is, though, Georgia actually gained an opportunity to score from that handball. So, Georgia have a very good chance to score at the very end of this first half. It's going to be the last kick of this half. Surely. Unless he adds time on for all of the... Oh, he's buried it. Right-hand side. Goes right. Keeper goes left. Very well taken. Penalty, actually. So, 1-0 Georgia. And completely against the run of play. Czech have been far better. So, cross comes in. There it is. Oh, it's off the post. And somebody puts it in. Schick, is it? It's probably going to be a handball as well. I don't know if I want to change the scoreboard just yet. I don't know if that's going to be a handball. Cross comes in. The header is on. Hits the post. Bounces back off the post. Hits Schick and rolls into the goal. I just don't know if that has hit Schick's hand or any other part of his body other than his hand. He's onside, it's fine. I think it's hit his chest. Hollesh, we have a long, hard drive. Oh, and it's a 3-on-1 for Georgia now. Georgia go down the other end. Kranach. Oh, he's put it over the bar. What a shit shot that was. All you have to do is hit the target. Oh, wow. Georgia could have very much won that at the very end there. That's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks so much for all the likes and the follows that came in on Facebook. I really appreciate that. There was loads. Looks like I've had quite a few views as well over on Facebook for the last 2 hours while I've been live. Again, thank you so much. Everybody who voted on YouTube in the poll, 67% for Czech Republic, 33% for Georgia, 0% for the draw. That means nobody got it right today. There was only 3 votes, though. Bit quiet on YouTube today, but that's fine. I'm going to end that poll now. And yeah, again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll be live again for the next England match. If you follow me because I'm a Liverpool channel, don't worry, the Liverpool content is coming this evening. I'll be making my news video, my news roundup video. That'll be coming out this evening. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, again, thank you very much. And until next time, up the fucking Reds, I suppose. I can't, I'll see you next time.